Yo guys, it's Bando, and as y'all know, we've been doing these little voiceover things at the beginning of the video. This video is actually a re-upload. It's one of my older ones, probably about 5 years old now at this point. So I just went back to it, and now I have to blur faces and stuff because it's just a smart thing to do. So I'm re-uploading it. But basically this place was attached to an open courthouse with court in session, and it's a juvenile detention center, and the police pulled up on us and we got trapped. So I hope y'all enjoy it. Like I said, it's 5 years old, so I was a little bit of a different person back then. But yeah, tune in.
Look at Ruffles. What the fuck? Look at the Gatorade.
That shit is crazy.
This is all vintage as fuck. This shit vintage as fuck, yo. That nigga hit that bitch too. All the way in the back. See? Like I said, it's all to the base.
Did not play baseball.
Oh, they were hitting the window. Look. So, foul ball.
My turn. wait. They do got a big. Hey, let's start up a baseball league in the Bando.
Honestly, though.
General infection control guidelines.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit! Chill, nigga. Why you trying to close doors, nigga? We get locked in this bitch. Alright, give him the fucking bag, cause you're not trusted. This shit is literally connected to that courthouse. Alright, you're the one with the fucking. Oh, no, you got med card.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
To hear somebody camera fucking just scramble is funny. He gave him a golf club.
Don't break shit. Like, don't break shit.
If you break shit, I'm not taking you no more Bandos.
Okay. Hold on, Shelton. Y'all good on there?
Huh?
Did y'all go on there?
Yeah, it's flooded.
There's one right there.
He's stuck.
Oh, no, he's gonna come.
No, that nigga is stuck.
No, because that's the way in and out.
What the fuck?
He just hopped. They're up there. That's where they really are.
Well, actually, I gotta bring the car back by 3.
Okay.
Cause I gotta pick up Sarah from school, or they gotta pick up Sarah from school. What the? There's 2!
He said, "Get the fuck out of my house."
No, they're about to come. You're up.
I was talking to him, bro.
Yeah, that's the baseball we were hitting. Now put it in. Here's the bridge.
Another one. That's for sure the ops.
Yeah. But I don't think nobody's in the car. But I feel like somebody is. I can't really focus.
That's for sure the ops.
Somebody in there?
I don't know, but I don't think they can see us because it's great.
I'm just saying, what if they saw us go in and they're just waiting for us to come out? Because we have to go that way to get to your car.
Who, the white car?
Yeah, that has sirens on it.
Oh, it has sirens?
It looked like somebody got their seatbelt on with the straps over the flash.
Huh.
It's a cop right there, bro.
Squirrel or a cop?
Yes. Fuck.
He's down there?
It's a cop car. I don't think he's down there. Yeah.
Oh, it's bad for niggas. Oh, it is fucking bad for niggas.
Yeah, because he in the car.
It's bad for niggas.
You got it.
Oh my god, the police pulled up. We got caught at the juvenile detention center. The police is here and we're fucked. And
man.
We're just gonna have to walk out and tell these niggas that there's no trespassing signs.
Where's that squirrel at?
Yeah. We should look for another way out. On this side of the building.
Well, he's not parked over by the fence.
He's parked, that one's parked over by the fence, and then the other one is parked in front of the door.
Well, if we come out of nowhere and be like, hey, what's up?
No, if we get out on this side of the building and just walk out.
There's a store or something right here. It looks like we can get out. Look. We can for sure go over there and get out.
Real building.
I think that's for sure a cop car right there.
Where? They all probably detective flips, nigga.
We think about trying to get out through over there.
I don't know if I want to go down. I think we should just keep on exploring. Go up another floor, keep hard, check that floor, then go up another one, check that one out.
I'm forgetting.
Like,
that
why are we
there's
trying
more
to dip
floors.
it? Why are we trying to dip as soon as
The car at?
Our car's down over here.
So we come
They're
up.
parked here and here. So this whole area is open.
We have to come around. Think right there, basically.
Yeah, we would just walk around the block, but then that's not sketch if we're just outside walking. It's just sketch if they see us come out the building.
I'm gonna take a picture of this.
Y'all ready for the mission? If you walk down here and look, the white car that was a police car is no longer outside, but the police car where we went in, there. But yeah, they is right there. Chilling.
I don't think we should go up higher and look through the windows.
Why?
Cause they focus on shit like that.
But I don't think they can see through the grate, bro.
Through the what?
I don't think they can see us through the grate.
Shit. The windows is broken.
So if y'all can see, I don't know, it's kind of hard, but it's that gate down there. It's kind of open. But we think about hitting that. This is down by that fallout shelter. This wasn't even supposed to be a video. My camera about to die too. On the sidewalk.
Away.
No,
Towards.
going left. He's away from the door right now.
He was driving on the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Towards the door.
Yeah, let's go.
It's 2:02. I gotta be back by 3. The police are outside and it is fucking steep. They're circling and yeah, so we're gonna see what happens. He not out there.
Oh man, even if we go back out there, she for sure gonna probably call again if she sees us again.
No, but our car's right there. We just get in the car and leave.
Yeah.
They locked the door?
I know, dude.
Bro, what?
You like that bitch?
Oh, we gotta go underneath the fence. They locked the door. If there's footprints on the cement, then yeah. Because we didn't walk on the cement.
Yeah, we can't go here.
Yeah, those are all, yeah. Those footprints are for show from police locking the door. Because when we walked in, there was no footprints on the glass. Wow. Oh. Are we...
That's for sure a rock in front of this bitch.
Oh, he's right there. He's right there. We're caught. He was never in there. We was taking a picture on the outside. Nope, not us. Taking pictures. Huh? Alright. Oh yeah, no, we were just trying to take pictures and stuff. My bad about that. Alright, for sure. Have a good day. What? Alright. How in the fuck did that just happen like that?